Hello friend, good morning, how is it going? Welcome to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I just repaired this Toyota Sienna 2009 Toyota Sienna with 166,000 miles on the odometer, and I had her overnight. I parked her here and she is a beauty. She has a leather inside, despite the fact two-wheel drive. She's loaded, and she has that incredible JBL stereo. When she came to me, the stereo was not on, and I was thinking, hey, let's listen the sound and enjoy that beautiful system. I'm curious how it sounds. Well, I will show you what I saw. So here she is. It's cold morning. My hands are frozen. So she has still high idle, but it will go down, as everybody knows. But what's up with this JBL synthesis? Is that on purpose? I never saw this before. That's amazing. That's a radio. This is what it does on every single station. And wow, very interesting, isn't it? So I don't know when this JBL, if it's the amplifier which is bad or something, or there is interference from some other add-ons. There is some backup camera. The owners didn't ask me. It's my friend's Sienna. They didn't bring it up, so I don't know what's up with this. I have only experience I had at Sequoia, where I rebuilt an entire JBL amplifier, the head unit and everything. I'm not sure even where the amplifier for this will be located. But did you ever have the problem with radio in Toyota with this way? Let's try different conditions. Maybe if it's only when the engine's running. Let's see. I will just put the ignition on. Will the radio go on? Oh, it's the same. So it's definitely not some radio interference from the engine or a new ignition or coil which I put there yesterday. This is very interesting, isn't it? And it's across the FM1, FM2. What's about AM? The same. So all the radio stuff has this problem. Isn't it crazy? I will turn it down. I didn't try the CD. There's no disc in it, so yeah. I want to share that with you, and if you know, if you had it, please put it in the comments. I never heard it in my life making this, so I have no idea. I hope it was entertaining a little bit. And I did quick research of this entire system, and the problem most likely is in the DVD player, if you have this option, which is right here. There may be too many DVDs in it. I don't know if we place only one, but it can be fixed, either replacing the unit or just disconnecting it. Isn't it amazing? This is really loaded and the whole system is hooked together. And if we will disconnect the connector on this one, it should fix the problem. Let's just see if I can even operate it. So there is a volume and a jack for the headphones. This whole unit is dead, right? It's not doing anything. I don't know, might be fuse or something, but it's completely not working. Even using just my hands only, even holding camera. I should bring a tool, not cut myself. But there is a famous fix to it, which is really just pulling it down. And on this left side, there should be a main wiring harness attached to it. And that's all you have to disconnect. Let me see. Let me use my both hands. It really just needed 2 hands. It immediately came off. And in the case you have full malfunction with this entire unit, you can see the pins here, hopefully. Let's go. If the fellows, YouTubers and friends and people who are willing to help others, if they are correct. Did you see that?
I know, but there's one every day now. Dictionary.com's pick was demure.
There's no
I
more
didn't understand that, and then it turns out one
problem.
TikTok user used it, you know, how to be very demure, and the usage increased 12,000% off that. So I guess
somebody's making money.
Right. Australia's before.
So basically what's happening here, more and more complicated and more luxurious we are becoming, more and more sensitive and vulnerable our vehicles are. I had the same on that Mercedes-Benz S550, which I filmed thoroughly. I owned her this year and last year, and there was all these electronics, and there was like 6 computers on the same system. They were connected through the fiber optics, and one of those computers, and it was the voice activation was bad, and it was triggering and damaging basically that entire system. So here we have another example of that. This could be obviously repaired, but guess what, we don't need that. These friends, this couple, they don't have a kids, and they don't drive anybody in the back here. So I bet you when they will come pick it up, they're coming this morning, and I will tell them that the radio is finally fixed. They will be super excited and happy, and all it needed to disconnect this wire. Therefore the rest of the radio system and the amplifier, everything works correctly, and we did a little good deed for them. So I will use my both hands and just push it up. That's all what it needs. You see the pins, hopefully. I'll push it up. The wire shouldn't be in the way. The pins, the holes are free there. Well, I might tuck it a little bit better so that wire is not sticking towards the here. I will put it back, and the radio is fixed. That was so easy today, huh? I love it. Let's see if I'm full of it, or it's really so easy. Oh, look at you, Toyota. That's incredible. You don't even need the tools. I didn't cut myself. All you needed, grab it here in the back, and then also with both ends, not holding the camera, pull on the front. No tools needed. I love it. This is the good news, and they can enjoy the radio again. Well, thank you for watching, and have a great day, my friend. And the owner is the fan and subscriber of this channel. So what I will do, I will not tell him how I fixed it, and he can watch it on YouTube. Brilliant.